Mr. Paranoia on the move.
Oh, well, he's so paranoid. Yeah, he's a school teacher.
Oh no.
Must have been good as in a car.
Is you serious? Is you serious? After everything I've done for you, I give you everything, dude. Your hair, your nails. Are you kidding me, dude? See, it's what, right? I got you, bro. And the funny thing is, the way they did, that's mine. Oh, you was that's mine. That's your rap. That's my rap. It's cool, but you a big dog now, right? You a child. What you need to do when we get home, we gonna go back on you. Go to the driveway. I hope you see all the gravel out there and kick every single rock, because you gone, baby. You gone. I don't need you. I need you. And we don't need you. Still doing it.
He's doing it again. This is the third time.
The third time?
Yeah.
Apparently this guy is.
I wonder if he could do his usual, go round again.
He's doing it again.
And you know this.
Hey, the crazy thing is this the second time this happened, so how you gonna say that you love me and you take me for my best friend, we get back together, you bring me on national television. You gonna play me for my cousin? Well, are you sick? No, you a child. That's what it is. You a child. I'm a grown-ass man. I work every day. I provide everything you got on right now. Your eyes, your nails, your hair. Oh, yes. Your new tires. Everything you got is for me.
Who paid for all your... In the beginning, when I was working, you asked me every day for money because you didn't have... for living with your parents. Your parents. Okay, but... See, no, I was making good money, right? And he would call me, hey, can I have $20? Here you go. Here you go. At the time, I did not have my license, right? I paid my aunt $60 to go down the road to get his dump, bro. 5 minutes down the road. No. Don't try to play me on here, bro, because you just as bad as I am. You just as guilty as I am.
How am I guilty? You slept with my cousin. Who did I see?
Check it again.
Okay.
How many times was it there?
5.
5? It's getting worse. You guys seriously need help.
Hi. This is for the booty bouncing girl. I just wanted to let you know that you actually have to have a booty to bounce it. Have you seen your ass, though? Your ass is flat as your back, bitch.
Right, he looks like he's done.
How is it?
Mr. Paranoia. He should be paranoid. I'm recording him.
Is he singing?
No.
I've got a video of it as well.
You've got to put that on what's it?
YouTube.